Make in India means what is really at the end of the day that they can do is one, they can create environment around Make in India. They can't give special taxations. They can't, make so infrastructure. They are saying they're going to spend. Land bill, yes, as I said, is a critical issue as we see how it will comes around.
Right.
But that's not connected to the budget, as you know. That's connected to the law in the parliament. So one will have to wait and watch.
And do you think the rise of service tax and excise duty is a downer, especially?
I think this is more towards moving toward the GST norm. This would be my feeling is that they are setting up the GST. He didn't announce anything, but keeping that service tax is moved from 12.5% to 14%, excise duty a little bit up. This looks to be that GST will move 24-26%. I mean, that's the only thing. But one will have to see the roadmap also of the GST in 5 years, how they create that. So one has to see that.
And last thing on the corporate tax, which has been,
Well, corporate tax, they've said that they've put a roadmap.
Right.
And I think that's a right way to handle things. And the industry has been demanding that, rather than putting at X percentage and then with all the exemptions, which really means more paperwork, more discretion. So that way I'm happy that the finance minister wants a clarity that I want simplification. So this really is leading towards that.
and also from 30% to 25% it has been.
Well, let me say the international benchmark is 25%, if one will see. So I would say corporates would be very happy to see that this roadmap does come into play over 4 years, as they've said.
But are you very happy with this, the defer of the ZGAR for the 2 years?
I think so. The industry should be happy, and DTC being taken off the table. I think it's a well thought out, and especially when you have to kickstart and grow back the industry and the economy, you need clarity, you need
So
simplifications.
what's your reaction on this avoidance of this wealth tax? But they're putting a 2%, the super charge.
Well, somewhere money has to come. After all, the governments cannot be bereft of that. The simplification of the wealth tax been taken off, paperwork has been taken off, and I think the sum and the figures that finance minister had put on the table as 1,008 crores he said, as opposed to, I'm sure, so much goes beyond. So simplification, industry likes simplification.
Okay. So this budget is a simple budget, balanced budget, or aggressive budget?
No, I think it's a long-term vision, balanced budget, and a good roadmap for ease of doing business. I hope the committee gives a recommendation. They've talked about taxation of the corporates. They've talked about wealth tax. So I think they've talked also of the fiscal deficit, that while he could have gone with the earlier 3.6, 3.8, he's still put a 3-year roadmap, which means a lot of money will come into play into the infrastructure, which is very categorically put on the table.
Okay, Mr. Minister, what's your final reaction? This budget is more tilt towards agriculture as compared to the industry or the urban area?
No, I think it's a balanced budget, I would say.